It's a 2017 GMC Yukon Denali. Kids, cargo, groups, gear, you can carry it all with this Yukon Denali and do it in unsurpassed luxury. To complement the utility of this full-sized SUV, GMC designed a remarkably quiet cabin filled with premium accents and a refined finish, and put it all in a boldly designed exterior. The 6.2-liter Ecotec 3 V8 engine has the horsepower and torque to handle any towing you need to do. You'll love the premium features too: heated and cooled front seats, heated second-row seats, and hands-free power liftgate offer comfort and convenience. It also has color touchscreen navigation with IntelliLink, side blind zone alert with lane change alert, and rear cross traffic alert. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability. Come get it in this Yukon Denali.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.